This recipe calls for 4 cups of red bud flowers. We got about 8 cups of red bud flowers. We're going to double this up. To get the red bud flowers, you just lightly grab the branch and strip the flowers off. Then we're going to come in here and remove any leaves and twigs that might have come in here. We're going to rinse this off. Then we're going to make tea. Just take it out a handful or so at a time and kind of inspect it as you go through. That also helps rinse this off. Now we've looked at several recipes, and a lot of them have 1-to-1 flowers to hot water to make the tea. All of them steep for about 24 hours in the refrigerator after it cools off. Just carefully put it down in the jar. And we're going to go ahead and add boiling water to this. And you don't have to measure precisely, but you're going to want both jars about the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And I just like to go ahead and top them off just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and let that steep until it comes down to room temperature. Then we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it do its thing for 24 hours. Then we're going to come back, put all the rest of the ingredients together, and make jelly. I went ahead and added the lids before we put it in the refrigerator. It is steeped overnight, and it has turned a beautiful violet. So let's go ahead and pour this tea off, and we'll go ahead and make some jelly. Just going to put a coffee filter inside our stainless steel strainer. Dump the remainder of the flowers in a cheesecloth, a paper towel, or coffee filters, and squeeze out the remaining juice. And there's 8 cups of red bud tea. This is pretty much the same as with all jams and jellies. In this one, we get the red bud tea boiling. The first thing we're going to add to the boiling red bud tea is 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 packets of Sure Gel. And you stir that until it comes back to a boil. It won't take very long. And as that's coming up to a boil, let's add your sugar, stir it in. Make sure that sugar is dissolved. If I was going to do this again, I would do it in a little bigger pot. But I think we're going to be okay. I'm going to keep stirring this because I'm not going to let this thing go wild. Ain't got enough room. Turn the heat down, it's starting to boil. That's enough. I wish I would have known about this 28 years ago. Now isn't that beautiful? You love the sealing sound. Gotta love the sound of. Oh, that's got a sweet floral flavor to it. Do yourself a favor, go out and make some red bud jelly. And until next time, thank you for stopping by the garden for a visit. Remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.